Okay, then the next thing we do is we look at geometric analysis. To relate deflection of B to deflection of C. Okay, how can we relate them? So we know that the L shape, we're going to assume the L shape to be rigid body. Right? We are going to make that assumption. Okay, so the assumption L shape is the rigid body. Okay, so I'm going to now sketch this out. Okay, so this is our member over here. Okay, so this is our point C, point B, and this is our point A. And then when the structure is deflected, or when the load is applied, it will look like this. Okay. So now this is your A prime, B prime, and C prime. So they all share the same gradient, right? And the distance from here to here, this is your delta C. The distance from here to here, this is your delta B. And the distance from here to here, this is your delta A. Okay, so we can form this relationship. I'm going to include delta A also because we need it later. Okay, so A prime, B prime, C prime share the same gradient. Okay, so gradient is change in y divided by change in x. Okay, so to point change in y is 0.8 divided by delta C, and this is so the change in y. So 800 plus by 500, 1.3 divided by delta B. And this will be equal to also equal to 1.6 divided by delta A. Okay. So the expression they're going to use is 0.8 over delta C is equal to 1.3 delta B. Okay. So therefore, delta B is equal to 1.3 divided by 0.8 delta C. Right? So this is equal to 1.3 divided by 0.8. It's 1.625 delta C. Okay. So we have 1.625 delta C. Anyone, any questions so far?
Yes, quick question. For geometry analysis, we always take the reference from the tip of the triangle, right?
Yes, because gradient, right? So this is always the zero part, right? Does that answer your question? I hope it does.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So 1.3 divided by 0.8, 1.625 delta C. So this is our, so we have a relationship where delta B is equal to, okay. So from here, right, this is our equation 5. So we're going to substitute 3 and 4 into equation number 5. Okay. So you have, I'm going to zoom out a bit because I can't see. So deflection of B is 707.314. So we got 707.314 times 10 to the power minus 9 FB. Okay. and this is equal to 1.625 multiplied by 707.314 times by 10 to the power minus 9 FC. Okay. So from here, we know that FB, okay, FB is equal to 1.625 multiplied by 707.314 power minus 9 divided by 707.314 power minus 9. Oh, they're the same. Sorry, it's equal to. I did not realize that. So it's equal to 1.625. Okay, FC. So this is our relationship. Okay, so because B and C, okay, the coefficient is the same, but it's just FB and SC. Okay, so now we have this relationship. We're going to substitute 6 into equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 is 0.8. I'm going to copy the whole thing. Okay. And then I'm going to paste here. Hopefully it work out for this time. Work out. So you have 0.8 FC plus by 1.3, and FB is equal to 1.625 FC, and the whole thing is equal to 800. Okay, so 1.3 times by 1.625 is equal to plus 0.8 is equal to 2.99125 FC, and this is equal to 800. Let me do it again. So 1.3 times by 1.625 plus by 0.8 is 2. Yep, it's correct. Okay. So from here, we know that FC is equal to 800 divided by 2.9125 is equal to 274.678 Newton. Okay, 800 divided 2.9125. Okay, 274.678. So this one you can in fact write down is 275 Newton. Okay, 0.648 is just too small to be considered Newton. Okay, so then we go into FV is equal to 1.625 FC, right? So we know that 1.625 multiplied by FC is equal to 275. Okay, so 1.625 multiplied by 275 is equal to 446.875. We can round this off to 447 Newton. Okay, so it's straightforward, isn't it? It's not that bad. As I said, this is a PO question. Okay, and then the last one. Yeah, I hope to squeeze everything into a page. So we are going to find the deflection or position, or they ask us to find the what? The horizontal displacement of point A. Okay, the horizontal displacement at point A. So what we have over here, so we can use 0.8 over delta C is equal to 1.6 over delta A. Okay, so we found that delta A is equal to 1.6 divided by 1.6 divided by 0.8 is equal to 2 delta C, right? So 2 multiply, so delta C, we know delta C is equal to what? 707.314. Okay, it's equal to 707.314 times 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, let me check again. Right, and FC is equal to 447. Okay, multiplied by 447. So this is equal to 2 times 707.314 pound minus 9 times by 447 is equal to 632.339 times 10 to the power minus 6 meters, and it's going towards the right. Okay, so these are your answer. So what do you think? Anyone? What do you think about this question? Anyone? Any reflection? I hope you are still there, yeah?
Yeah, we are still here.
Yep. So you see, it's not that bad, isn't it? If you know the stages, and if you look at all these steps that I've done, it's very similar to this example over here, right? Very similar. We relate,
one.
right?
Last
It's
session, second question.
right. It's all
Right.
the same. Okay. 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 So what I propose now is I'm going to stop here. Okay. I'm going to post the solution, my solution. Okay, written solution for question 2. Someone have question for question, sorry. Question 3 and question number 6. Okay. Now, I'm going to stop recording now. Okay, because I don't want the whole class to go to like too long.